What's going on? What's going on? Y'all don't know nothing about that. That's Marvin Gaye. Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Check me out. Ugh, help me, Jesus. Burning food. Burning my onions. I got this electric stove and the place I'm renting. Oh my goodness. I never use an electric stove. I'm old school. It is gas, okay? Get to the gas. Y'all don't know nothing about this. So I'm trying to scramble some eggs, but you know what? I was gonna throw them onions out, but you know what? I'm not. Eat my burnt onions. I like burnt onions. Why can't I have my burnt onions? Okay, this is not easy. I gotta get a tripod and some hot spots in there just to sit the phone. Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Yes, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mrs. Gordon. Mrs. Gordon. Give a shout out to my husband, Garfield Gordon, in Jamaica, White River, Ocho Rios. Miss you, baby. See you real soon. Till I'm laid to rest. Yes. Woo, like 40 days till Shiloh. Y'all know what that means? Message me, because I'm going to be there. I'm going to be there in Jamaica to see Buju Banton. Oh, my God, that's a blessing and a half. Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Love, love, and more love. Remember, there is always time for love, okay? And some good cooking, and don't burn your onions. Okay, I'm going to stir up my eggs as I'm scrambling some real eggs, okay? I know I work at the East End Food Co-op, but I'm an eatitarian. I eat all foods. I don't discriminate. I like food. And that's all to it. Y'all gotta check out these right here. Oh my God. I haven't tasted it yet. I ain't even gonna lie. I hear it is the biggity bomb. And they're real expensive. This is the heirloom tomatoes. I do love tomatoes, so this is my first one. I'm gonna tear that up. It's gonna go on my sandwich. Okay, on my sandwich. And I got some Wood Street bread. This is in Wilkinsburg. That's the raisin twist. Holla. Come on now. Holla. That's what I be trying to say. Holla. Okay. And I got this, I'm not sure how you pronounce this cheese. I never did. Munster cheese. Munster cheese. Delicious. That's okay. That's just me. So I'm doing 20 things as usual. I finished up my pan, getting hot. Not too burnt. And I can't wait to get to Jamaica. No cooking, okay? None. Nah. Okay, is this shit flying out the damn fan? Oh, sorry. What I don't want to be doing is cussing. It happens. In a new place. Hopefully don't let them creatures that crawl at night jump off the side. That's not fun. Okay, anyway, I'm loving my new place. Let me try to set my phone down for a minute. It'll be real annoying. Let it sit right there. Done. Before I cut it off. I hate this. Add some lettuce, but that went bad. Get some old grits, Lord, forgive me, throwing that out. It's heartbreaking. I try to eat up everything all night. Time for my legs. I'm gonna do it until I figure out how to do this. This is how it's gonna go. Eggs down in there, so you can hear it cooking just a little bit when you pour the eggs in there. That's what I want to hear. That's how you know the pan is perfectly warm. Just hot enough. Chill out after chill out for a little bit. After I get done. That's really good. Try to keep it all in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and dump the burnt ones in there. Don't eat them burnt niggas up. Oh, I guess I should be. You know what? I say what I want to say. I emulate, yes. Burn the burnt niggas up. Here you go. You censoring me. I'm 52 years old. Now, this is what I'm having. I'm gonna make me some toast. Looks good. I got more onions than I got eggs. This is only 3 eggs. I guess I should have 3, maybe 1 more. That's alright. It's not getting hot. Good. Boom. And this coconut cake at my job, man, you better ask somebody. It's delicious. Oh my God. It's delicious. Can't wait to eat that. It's real good. This bread, put it in the toaster. I got some jelly to go with it. We'll find out. Yes, everybody, so I'm off today. Cooking me a little something to eat. Wash some clothes. Clean the nasty drain out in the sink in this house. It was terrible. Oh my God, it's so nasty. I don't know how people live like it. It's just so nasty. But I got it cleaned. Nice and clean and disinfected. It's beautiful. Videotape it, and the person I rent from will be getting a copy of it. Won't be too mad. Just get the water bill on this couple of good. I can pay for that. But I need a little more time to get that next 200 ready to give to her. She's charging me $200 a year for using their washroom, which is actually a steal. That's a steal. Shit, you get a $200 water bill in a month's time. You know what I mean? So. That's how we're going to do that. She'll get that real soon. It really smells so good. I'm going to turn it off. This is the weirdest thing. On the gas, you can see. You know what I'm saying? You can see the gas. It's on, it's not, it's hot, and you touch it. You can see it. This electric stuff is weird. But I get used to it. You eat, you get used to it. Just this cheese up, put it back in that refrigerator. All right. That's it. I don't like it. Not take it with me, everything I'm doing. I got this refrigerator full. And I need to put some stuff in there. Stuff on the floor. I don't need nothing else. When I tell y'all, I don't need nothing else. It's just me. Just me. Trying to keep it, you know, open for the next person. Although all this stuff right here, this is peanuts and stuff. Oh my God. That's where this is going. Look at all these different peanuts. I'm taking with me. This is all going to Jamaica. I got to get this on the plane. I'll let y'all know about that. It's going in my check bag. I got my baby. My baby said he wants some peanuts. Come on now. That's my husband. That's my husband. Look at all this. With and without shells. Okay? With or without shells. Love him. Yes. I haven't got a shelf down here. This is going to be for like, you know, whoever comes in there, they can have it. They can use that. They can use that. That's free for all. Okay. I done got this potato look a mess. That got to go. cucumber. Oh, wasted that. Okay. Woo, forgive me, Lord, for throwing out food. See, now I'm not over by my daughter's house. I can't even throw that out for the deer. That's what I normally do. But there's no deer where I'm staying now. So, gotta be more careful what I'm throwing away. Eat all my food. Don't be wasting no food. That is not cool. Whoops. Cut me a couple slices of this raisin bread. And then your girl, I'm gonna sit down and eat. I wanted to, not wash, about to say wash again. Wanted to get started on my swimming suit. I got my lab all together. Let me show you all here in a minute. Get this. My eggs out of here. Toasted, and I'll be right back. Okay. Just like that. Boom. Let them non-stick pans. Thank you, Jesus. Like these 3 old ketchup packets. Play with it if you want to. These will save a life, okay? Holler if you hear me. Packets will save a life. Okay, let me show y'all what's going on in the living room. And the dining room's coming together. It's coming together. Taking some of this. Believe it or not, this right here, I got to go to Jamaica. I got to get that in the suitcases. This right here, these purple dust. I got to figure that out. I'll let y'all see how I get that down. Get down with that. Get that figured out. That's some stuff that needs to go in the basement. Then I'll clear this table off and I get my puzzle game up. Okay, I got to turn the lights, close the blinds in here. I open the blinds during the day so that my plants can get that light. Okay, get that life. Now just close the blinds. Yeah, this room ain't as bright at nighttime. But here's my swimming suit. I gotta get this popping, okay? Really looks like a lot, but it's not. It'll probably take me an hour, I'll say 2 hours to finish this. I got it all cut out and pieced together. Now it'll probably take me another 2 hours to finish it. This is the world. This is the world. Jamaica. I don't need no coat. I don't need no coat. Who need a coat for? I need to cover up for it. I don't cover up nothing. It's a good time when I'm in Jamaica. Okay, everybody. I'm going to let it go right now. See how nice and neat that is over there? Just a little bit. I want a whole bunch of stuff just compact. Because you know I'm moving to Jamaica. I'll be a citizen real soon. And I'm moving to Jamaica. Soon be home, baby. Soon be home. And so I got to minimalize. Keep everything on a small scale. If anybody out there know a shipping company that moves stuff from, I don't know, as close as Pittsburgh or closer or Cleveland or somewhere, I don't know, that goes to Jamaica. I know how to get the barrels moving. Yeah, I know how to do that, which I need to get one sent for the church in Jamaica where we got married, his mother's church. So, yeah. Okay. I love everybody. I'm going to talk to y'all later. I'm going to eat my burnt food. That looks good. I don't know what y'all talking about. It looks good. What am I drink? Love y'all. Have a good day. Peace out. Love, and more love. There's always time for love.